write that down. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Okay,
You a little nervous?
a little bit.
Well,
And all of the members of the jury hear the witness. Okay, all right.
And if you'll just keep your voice up for us, that would be great, okay?
Okay.
Please introduce yourself to the jury. And we're just gonna use first names.
Okay. Jacqueline.
And do you also go by Jackie?
Oh, yes.
Do,
Jackie,
is it okay if I call you Jackie?
please.
Okay. Well, Jackie, how are you, or how do you know Tanner Horner?
He is my grandson.
Jackie, are you currently employed?
No.
When you were working, what were you doing?
Well, worked at Albertsons and a barber.
Now, I see that you were in a wheelchair. Are you medically disabled?
Yes, multiple sclerosis.
Do you have a disability status for your multiple sclerosis? Are you receiving Social Security
Oh,
benefits?
yes.
Jackie, I want to talk to you a little bit about your family. Do you have any siblings?
Yes.
How many did you have?
4 brothers and a sister.
Are they all still alive?
Just one.
Do you have any children?
Yes.
Is that Tanner's mom?
Yes.
How many grandchildren do you have?
2.
Jackie, I want to talk a little bit about your family and the way you grew up, okay?
Okay.
When you were growing up, was your father, was he verbally abusive to you or any of your siblings?
Yes.
How so?
He just always was. He's an alcoholic. And,
What would he do?
well, he just complained constantly. If he showed up for dinner, he would complain.
Would he ever yell at you?
Oh, yeah.
Would he ever call you names?
Yeah.
Would he do this in front of your family?
Oh, yeah.
Would he do this in front of other people?
No, sometimes he put on his act when we had family around or friends. He acted like he liked us.
But once those friends left,
Yeah.
did his true colors show?
Yeah.
Was he ever physically abusive to you?
He was, but not as much me as it was my brothers.
Did you see him being abusive to your brothers?
Yes.
What would he do?
Well, he would just start, there's a lot of yelling. I mean, that's been a long time ago. And I just know he'd get that belt and just keep hitting him, because he'd gone to the beach and
Was he supposed to go to the beach?
no.
Jackie, was there any sexual abuse in your home?
Yes.
Were you the victim of abuse as a child?
Yes.
And I don't want to go into any details about it, but how old were you when you were being abused?
Very little.
How often would this abuse occur?
Too often?
Is any time too often?
Yes.
How long did this go on?
you know, for years that I could remember because, you know, I never told my mother. And it's just something you didn't talk about. And you didn't talk about the alcoholism in my family.
And if you didn't talk about the alcoholism, were you gonna talk about sexual abuse?
Oh, no.
Were you the only child in that household that was abused?
No, my sister as well.
Did you or your sister ever tell anybody what was going on?
No. Well, we told my mother once when we were about 12 and 13.
And how did that go?
He was mad. Why didn't you tell me earlier?
Did it stop after that?
Oh, yeah. It had been stopped by then. And
Jackie, did you ever get counseling to help you deal with what happened?
yes, I did.
And when you went to go see the doctor, were you diagnosed with anything? Do you have any mental health diagnosis?
Well, depression, some PTSD, which that's a thing that I didn't realize it was.
And do you still live with all of that?
Yeah, but I understand it more.
Jackie, I want to talk about your brothers and sisters for a minute, okay?
Okay.
Did any of your brothers and sisters suffer from any mental illness?
Yes,
Were there any suicide attempts amongst your siblings?
yes.
How many of your brothers and sisters were successful in killing themselves?
My sister and my youngest brother.
So that's 2 out of how many children?
6.
You mentioned alcoholism with your father. Did any of your siblings have any alcohol or substance abuse problems?
Yes.
What kind
Everybody had that problem.
Everybody has that problem. What kind of, what did you mean by everybody has that problem?
In my, the alcoholism.
And what about the substance abuse?
Yeah, that too.
And Jackie, how far did you go to school?
10th grade.
Or why'd you drop out?
I was pregnant.
And how old were you at the time?
15.
Who were you pregnant with?
Melissa.
At any time did you go back and get your GED?
I did.
And why'd you go get your GED?
Because I dropped out so early, and back then people said, well, if you don't get your GED, it'd be hard for me to get a job. And I had to have it to get my barber's license.
When did you get your barber's license?
1976.
How long did you work as a barber?
40 years.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Why'd you stop being a barber?
Well, because I need something that had benefits, and Albertsons had that.
And so you went to work for Albertson?
Mm-hmm.
You mentioned that you dropped out because you had become pregnant. Was this your first pregnancy?
Yes.
Were you surprised when you were pregnant?
Yes.
Did you tell your parents?
I told my mom.
Did you tell your parents? You told your mom?
Yes.
What was her reaction when you told her?
Oh, Jacqueline.
Was she supportive?
She was.
Did you ever consider terminating your pregnancy?
Yes.
Did you ever try to terminate that pregnancy?
Yes.
What happened?
Um, like what?
Well, tell me, how did you go from having the idea to terminate the pregnancy to trying to terminate the pregnancy?
Well, my mother knew a doctor and went to her house, and she said she was doing an abortion on me, which I didn't realize anything except that I knew I wouldn't be pregnant anymore.
Well, whose idea was it to terminate the pregnancy?
Well, it was mine and my mother's.
And your mother is the one that took you to the doctor?
Yes.
So after your mother took you to the doctor to try to terminate the pregnancy, I guess the question I have is, was the abortion successful?
No.
How old, well, were you able to carry that child to term?
Yes.
And how old were you when your daughter was born?
I turned 16 a day after I had her.
Did you have a difficult birth?
No,
Any complications?
no.
Were you worried because of the failed abortion attempt?
Yeah, I was real worried.
But instead you had a healthy baby girl?
Yes.
You have pressure on her?
Yes.
And actually, Jackie, I'm going to hand you what has already been admitted as Defense Exhibits 96 through 109.
Okay.
I'm just gonna let you hold on to those because I'm gonna put them up on the screen.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Defense Exhibit number 96. Who is that? Is that you and your daughter?
Yep.
Jackie, where was your daughter's father throughout all of this?
Well, we were together, except not living together, but with, he was at his parents' house, and I was with my mom's house.
So, did you two ever get married?
Yes.
And how long were you married?
About 3 years.
How old was your daughter when you divorced?
3. About 2.5 or 3.
Were you and her father married before or after you gave birth?
Before.
So you found out you were married, we had the attempted termination, and then you got married and then gave birth?
Yes, well,
And was this all before the age of 16?
yes.
Did your daughter's father ever pay child support for her after y'all separated and divorced?
No.
How did you support your daughter?
I worked normally 2 jobs.
And what kind of jobs did you have at that time?
I'd be a waitress, and then I was a shampoo girl for like 4 years before I decided to go to Barber College.
Jackie, I want to move on a little bit, and I want to talk about your second husband. Now, did the two of you live together before you married?
Yes.
At the time you moved in together, did you have any concerns about your boyfriend and your daughter?
No, not at the time.
So when y'all moved in together, you thought everything was A-okay?
Yeah, newly in love.
Before he moved in, did your daughter ever tell you that your boyfriend had sexually abused her?
Yes, she did.
And this was before you were married? And even though your daughter had told you about this incident, did you marry him anyway?
Yes, I did.
After he had moved in and y'all had gotten married, do you ever remember an occasion where your daughter had put a sign on her door?
Yes.
Did you remember what that sign said?
Something like, it was a big poster that she had on her bedroom door that said, who's ever coming in at my room at night, please stop.
At the time, did you know what that meant?
No, I mean, I automatically thought, oh, it must be a stepbrother, because he had the bedroom next door to the girls. And,
Do you know what it means now?
oh yeah,
Or what does it mean, or what did that sign mean?
that her stepdad was coming in there at night. She had told the school.
Well, that was my next question. Did she ever tell anybody about that?
Yes. But she, she tried to tell, she told me the first time it ever happened, and I didn't believe her. And how could I not believe a 4-year-old? That's all on me, and I live with that still. 4-year-olds don't lie.
Hi, Jackie. Did CPS or law enforcement ever get involved after
Yes.
she had told what had happened? And what happened after CPS and law enforcement got involved?
First they had opened a case and talked to each one of us, and
Was anyone ever arrested?
no,
Was anyone ever prosecuted?
no.
Did you and your second husband eventually divorce?
Yes.